So this is the button that we're going to be transforming today. It's very soft and silky and very, very elegant. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the button area where the holes are and the buttons were. After that, I'm going to take a skirt that fits me well and use it as a pattern and cut out the fabric, leaving room for seam allowance. And once that's done, I'm going to do a straight stitch around the edge. Don't forget to press your seams to lay everything flat, and overlock stitch as well so there are no frayed areas. Once that's done, I'm going to go to the top and do a straight stitch on a double folded over hem. For the back, I'm going to connect this invisible zipper and just sew down the bottom where the zipper ends with a straight stitch. Using the sleeves from the top of the shirt, I'm going to cut out strips to create the long straps that will be attached to the back of the shirt. Using the remainders of the shirt, I'm going to cut out two wide rectangles. One of the rectangles was from the original back part of the shirt, and the second rectangle I actually had to add two scrap pieces together to create them, but in the end I will have a front piece and a back piece, and the front piece will be the piece that is one solid piece of fabric, and then the back piece will be the lining, which will be the connected pieces of fabric you see here. I'm now going to just go ahead and connect my straps inside of the lining and front pieces and do a straight stitch all around except for the bottom, and then I'll just hem the bottom with a double fold over and a straight stitch. Now let's take a look at the before. And here is the after. Super cute and elegant and sexy all in one. Thank you butterflies so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so someone out there just like you, if you're a beginner sewer just like me, or if you like DIY videos just to watch them, give it a thumbs up so someone out there can enjoy it just like you did. And if you want exclusive videos of DIYs that I do all the time, follow my Instagram because I do a lot of DIYs that I don't always upload to YouTube, just because IGTV is way easier to edit than a super long YouTube video. So if you're a content creator, you should definitely understand that. But with that said and done, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you butterflies, and stay tuned for your next episode of Basic to Bougie. Bye!